So when inputs at the validator is a list of 1, it can be true. And if it's not a list of 1, then we're going to return false. So this is the catch-all, right? And what we're saying here is, like, if we wanted this to be like something specific, we could call it that.
Okay.
Oh yeah, not camel case. But we don't care what it is. We only care that it's 1, that it's a length of 1. And if we wanted a length of 2, we could do like that. And this would be saying when inputs at our own address is length of 2, we would return true. But so those are just different ways we could do it. But right, all we're saying now is we just care its length of 1, and we don't care what it is. We just, when it is 1 address, 1 input at the validator address, then we return true.
Yeah.